If you're looking for a good meal that takes under 30 minutes to make, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how I make my shrimp scampi with spaghetti. Wow, that was a tongue twister. So to a pot of boiling salted water, I add my spaghetti, and while that's cooking, I prepare the shrimp. In a skillet, I add a tablespoon of butter and some olive oil. I let that heat up. Then I add half of a chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic. You could add more garlic if you like, or more onions if you like. Add chili flakes for some heat. And then once that's softened, which usually takes about 2 minutes, I throw in my shrimp. I stir and I continue to cook that. Add some salt and pepper. Adding the juice of half a lemon and the zest, along with a handful of freshly chopped parsley, gives it a cleaner, brighter, fresher taste to this meal. Once your shrimp has cooked, your pasta should have finished cooking also. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick the pasta up with some tongs or with a spaghetti picker-upper. I'm not sure what it's called. But you're going to just drop that into the skillet with the shrimp. This is going to dribble some of that pasta water in there, which will add to the sauce. If you find the pasta is too dry, just add more pasta water. And that's it, guys. Quick 20-minute meal, delicious, clean eating. You're going to love it. You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.